Hello, in this short video we're going to be looking at how to add a subcontractor bill batch. So starting from our business dashboard, see Barney's Bolorama there. On the left hand side we go to expenditure. This will then bring us through to the expenditure dashboard. Now in the top right corner you'll see a new plus icon, and from here you've got the option new supplier bill batch, and just below that is new subcontractor bill batch. So just clicking on there, and then that will bring up this option. So you'll be able to add in sort of 5 at a time, or if you need to add more, you can click save and add new. So from here, you've got the date. You then be able to select your subcontractor. So for instance, we can pop in there. Then you'll be able to add in the bill number. So we'll just pop this in for the moment. Description, we can pop that in as labour. So the net amount, so for instance we can pop in say £1,000 there, and the VAT rate we can pop that in as standard, but you do have the selection here to choose from. So popping that in, that will then calculate that for you, and you've got your expense type here. So be able to pop that labour cost of sale, and for instance you can do your next line down. So just pop it in subcontractor number, description, you can pop that in as labour again, net amount, just pop that in as whatever's showing on the bill at the time. We can pop the standard rate for this one as well. That will then calculate through. You can see that does. And for instance, we can pop that in as labour there. Now, once you're happy with this, just quite simply clicking on the save button. And then that'll bring us back through and we can see transactions added successfully. So we can see them having been added down the bottom there. So if you have any questions or queries following this video, please feel free to contact us. Telephone numbers 020 302 12326, or you will be able to drop us an email at support@nomisma.co.uk. Look forward to hearing from you.